Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead by Daylight for beginners. This asymmetrical horror game pits 4 survivors against 1 powerful killer. As a survivor, your main goal is to repair 5 generators scattered across the map to power the 2 exit gates. Once powered, you can open an exit gate and escape. The killer's objective is to find, down, and sacrifice all survivors to a malevolent entity. Each thrilling match usually lasts between 10 and 15 minutes, offering intense, quick gameplay. As a survivor, your primary task is to repair generators. Each generator requires 80 seconds of uninterrupted repair time from one person, or less with multiple survivors. When chased, utilize environmental objects like pallets and windows to create distance from the killer. Always prioritize helping your teammates by unhooking them safely and healing their injuries. Effective teamwork, including coordinated repairs and distractions, significantly increases your chances of escaping the trial alive. As the killer, your goal is to hunt down and eliminate all 4 survivors. Begin by patrolling generators to find survivors and initiate chases. Once a survivor is injured, you can down them with a second hit. Carry down survivors to one of the 12 sacrificial hooks scattered across the map. Hooking a survivor 3 times will sacrifice them to the entity. Master your killer's unique power, like a chainsaw dash or teleportation, to effectively track and incapacitate your prey. For new players, understanding map layouts is crucial for both roles. As a survivor, practice stealth and efficient generator repairs. As a killer, focus on applying constant map pressure and interrupting repairs. Experiment with the hundreds of available perks to customize your playstyle. Each character has 3 unique perks. Effective communication, whether through in-game pings or external voice chat, can significantly improve team coordination and overall success in the fog. Good luck in the trials.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.